welcome back to my channel The Blush Babe. My name is Mrunmayee and welcome to another video. First of all, Eid Mubarak to all you beautiful people out there. So it's Eid tomorrow and everyone's gonna get dolled up. So I have brought to you this beautiful, bold and glam look that you can pull off on any outfit of your choice. Now talking about this look, it's very versatile that you don't have to be worried about the color you're wearing. Now let's not waste any more time and quickly get into the video.
I have just washed my face and applied a little bit of aloe vera gel. Now I'm gonna moisturize my face with this Patanjali cream. You can use any moisturizer of your choice. Dot it on your face and gently massage it. The durability of your makeup depends on how well your skin is moisturized. Next, I'm taking this Lakme Face Magic Soulful Foundation. Dot it on your face and blend it with a beauty blender. Make sure you're not applying too much pressure. The coverage of this foundation is sheer to medium. Now I'm going to conceal the hyperpigmentation on my face. I have used this Lakme concealer. So instead of drawing a V under my eyes, I'm just going to apply it on the inner corner as well as the outer corner of my eyes. Also apply a little on the lid. I'll apply some on the bridge of my nose as well as my chin and forehead. As you guys can see, I'm not going for a second dip, I'm just using the product that's on the wand. Now I'm gonna blend it with the same beauty blender. Be very gentle while you're blending on the eyes. Now this concealer has a very good coverage. Then I'm gonna take some powder and dab it under my eyes. I'm not gonna apply the powder all over my face, I'll just dab it under my eyes. Next I'm gonna fill my brows with the black shade. Make sure to keep the tail dark. And do not apply a lot of product on the front section. Brush your brows with spoolie so that it gives a more natural look. Then I'll take this brown contour shade from the NYX palette and apply it on my crease. Also apply a little bit over the crease. Blend it completely. Take as much time as you want for blending. For my eyes, I have decided a red look, so I am taking this beautiful red shade from the Swiss Beauty palette and apply it on the outer corner of my eyes. I have already reviewed this palette, so don't forget to check that out. I'll mention it in the iCard above. Now I'm gonna take the same black shade that I've used for the brows and I'll draw a wing. I'm gonna fill the wing with the same black shadow to give it a more smoky effect. Next I'm moving to this red or the rose gold shimmery shade and I'll apply it with my fingers on the inner corner as well as on the crease. Apply a black eyeliner and also add some lashes. So now we're gonna move on to the contouring process. I'm using the same brown shade from the NYX palette. Now while contouring, you need to know which part of the face you wanna contour. Also, don't forget to bronze the jawline. Just a small tip, do not apply a lot of foundation on the forehead, otherwise it will make your forehead look very big. Now I have used foundation on my forehead, so I'm gonna contour my forehead as well. I'm taking the black shade again and I'm gonna smudge it on the waterline. Then I'm taking the red shade and doing the same. Apply some mascara on the lower lashes. Now to make the contouring a little bit more sleek, I'm gonna apply the powder right under the contour. I'll take a small brush and contour my nose. Then I'm taking the same red shade that I use for my eyes and use it as a blush. Applying the blush in a slanting position will lift your face. Then I'm gonna take this beautiful highlight shade and highlight my nose. Also highlight the bridge of your nose. And with the same highlighting shade, I'm gonna highlight the high points of my face. Now apply a nude or a muted lip shade to complete the look. Add on some jewelry and you're good to go.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you do, then please hit the like button, share it with all your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the little notification bell over there so that whenever I upload a video, you will get notified. So I'm gonna come up with a new video on this Sunday and also on Monday. So it's gonna be a bonus video and I am sure you're gonna love it. I know you must have guessed it already what it's gonna be about. But anyway, let's keep the suspense for now. If you're gonna recreate this look, then do not forget to tag me on Instagram. I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.